Hey everyone, have you heard the news? There's some exciting talk about XRP heading to the moon. According to a crypto expert, there's a potential surge in XRP's price, with a possibility of reaching 80 cents in the near future. Despite recent price losses, XRP remains one of the strongest altcoins in the crypto sector. The expert, known as Altcoin Sherpa, shared observations and chart patterns suggesting that if XRP can break through the supply zone between 53 cents and 60 cents, the next target area could be as high as 80 cents. However, as of now, XRP is trading at 51 cents, still below the critical supply zone. It has experienced a decline of 5.23% in the day and 3.69% across the week. However, over the last month, it has gained 19.5%. The recent legal developments in Ripple's case against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission also play a significant role. Ripple's legal team has been scoring meaningful wins, and if the case concludes in their favor, it could trigger a massive increase in the XRP token. Recently released files indicate that the SEC knew its then-division director's speech would cause market confusion, but continued to enforce regulation regardless. Unfortunately, despite the unsealing of the Hinman documents, XRP hasn't experienced the bullish effect many enthusiasts had hoped for. It has been unable to surpass the 55 cents level and is trading below this resistance level. The initial support levels to watch are the 50-day moving average at around 48 cents, followed by the 43 cents level and the 3,200-day moving average. In terms of XRP's performance against BTC, it has faced rejection at the 2,200 SAT resistance level after a recent rally. Currently, the cryptocurrency is in a consolidation phase around the 2,000 SAT level. The 200-day and 50-day moving averages converge around 1,800 SAT, providing solid static support. There's a high probability that the price might revisit and potentially re-challenge the 2,200 SAT level in the near future. Moving on to Australia, there's some positive news for XRP's visibility. BTC Markets, the leading cryptocurrency exchange in Australia, has introduced a new XRP/USDT trading pair on its platform. This marks a significant shift as BTC Markets has traditionally offered AUD and BTC trading pairs since its establishment in 2013. XRP holds a dominant position in BTC Markets and contributes to over half of the exchange's trade volumes. This expansion in trading options will likely increase XRP's visibility in the Australian crypto landscape. That's the latest news for you guys. Exciting times ahead for XRP, so let's keep a close eye on its progress. I wanted to share an interesting piece of news with you all. It seems that XRP has gained quite a prominent position on BTC Markets, especially with its USDT pairing. XRP holds a dominant position in this exchange and contributes to more than half of the trade volumes. In fact, the XRP pair alone accounts for 56.39% of all trade volumes, making it the most actively traded asset on the exchange. Over the past 24 hours, the XRP/USDT pair has generated a substantial volume of $3.1 million, which is quite impressive. In comparison, the BTC/AUD pair, despite being the second most popular asset, had nearly half of XRP's volume with $1.6 million, representing 29.1% of the total volumes. This clearly demonstrates XRP's supremacy on the exchange. The XRP/USDT pair contributes a relatively small percentage to the total volume, making up just 0.01% of the overall trading volumes in BTC Markets. Its inclusion represents an interesting dynamic. It highlights XRP's growing relevance in the Australian crypto market and showcases the exchange's commitment to providing diverse trading options. As traders and market observers, we will closely monitor the implications of this new trading pair on XRP's trading volumes and price. It's a significant development that amplifies XRP's presence and introduces a new trading dynamic on the exchange. It will be fascinating to see how this influences the Australian cryptocurrency market in the future. Please note that the information provided is not trading advice, and we should conduct independent research or seek consultation with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. The SEC has faced criticism for their secretive handling of the Ripple case, and releasing these documents will provide the public with a clearer understanding of the SEC's decision-making process regarding cryptocurrency regulation. Now, it's still early to determine the full implications of unsealing the Hinman documents on the Ripple case, but it's undoubtedly a significant development that is expected to greatly influence the final outcome. So, what might happen next? Well, the release of the Hinman documents is undoubtedly a victory for Ripple. However, it doesn't mean the legal proceedings are over. The SEC is likely to continue pursuing the case against Ripple, and the unsealed documents may lead to further legal challenges. But on the other hand, this revelation could also pave the way for a settlement between Ripple and the SEC. In the event of a settlement, Ripple would probably agree to pay a fine to the SEC without admitting any wrongdoing. Such an agreement would be favorable for Ripple as it would avoid the risks and expenses associated with a prolonged trial. While the SEC has claimed that Hinman's speech doesn't necessarily reflect the views of the entire commission, the recently disclosed emails, which were made public on June 13, revealed that multiple SEC officials were involved in deliberations regarding the classification of Ether as a security. Now, there's been some discussion around these documents, and some people believe they will significantly help Ripple in their legal fight. However, Gabriel Shapiro, the general counsel at investment firm Delphi Labs, has expressed a different opinion, calling these emails a huge nothing burger. So, it's important to consider multiple perspectives on this matter. That's all for now, folks. Stay tuned for further updates on this fascinating legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And I have some interesting news to share regarding the Hinman emails and their impact on Ripple. Now, there has been some debate about whether these emails truly help Ripple's case. One legal expert, Shapiro, criticized the emails as a nothing burger that doesn't bring anything new or valuable to Ripple. According to him, the planned conversation between Hinman and Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin was widely known among cryptocurrency attorneys for years and doesn't change the situation. While the unsealing of these documents may assist Ripple's fair notice defense, Shapiro emphasized that they don't provide any groundbreaking arguments for the company's case. Let's take a step back and recall that the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020, accusing them of conducting an unregistered securities offering and raising over $1.3 billion through their XRP cryptocurrency. Ripple argues that Hinman's comments at the time suggest that XRP should not be considered a security, which could lead to a favorable outcome for them. However, Shapiro and other skeptics, like Bennett Tomlin, a crypto critic and podcaster, are not convinced by the excitement surrounding these emails. Tomlin jokingly remarked that it's surprising to see people still getting excited about these emails in 2023, considering they had years to correct their positions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.